It has been estimated that almost 7.5 million Australians do not get enough sleep.
People are having disturbed sleep because of the way they're keeping their minds. If you are in a comfortable state of mind, if you go to sleep, the body knows when to wake up. One day it may sleep for this many hours, another day it may sleep for half the amount of time. It's perfectly fine. Body needs rest, body does not need sleep. Restfulness is not in the hours, it is in the drop of metabolic activity that you have. Generally in deep sleep, your metabolism drops approximately 8%. You sit for Shambhavi, your metabolic activity can drop up to 24%. The restfulness that you're gaining in meditation is 3 times more profound than sleep. Then one thing that'll happen to you is, sleep quota will come down suddenly.
This one is a lot of calmness has come, and my weight reduced by about 8 to 9 kgs, which still continues to be so, and sleeping hours reduced. Earlier by 7 o'clock I used to feel very tired, by 10 o'clock I used to go to sleep. Now I sleep after 12 o'clock, I keep working till that time. I don't feel tired at all.
If I lie down in the bed, I immediately sleep. There is no problem, no medicine, nothing of that sort. I don't take any medicine also. Yoga is my medicine.